Okay, in the previous class we discussed the even and odd signals, periodic and non-periodic signals. Now another class of signals are energy and power signals. Take any signal, it will be either energy not, it will be either energy or power signal. It cannot be both. Now, any continuous time signal x of t is said to be energy signal if its total energy is greater than 0 and less than infinity. That is, once you calculate energy is given by integration of minus infinity to plus infinity, x square of t into dt, x square of t into dt. Once you calculate its energy, if this energy is greater than 0 and less than infinity, then the signal is said to be energy signal. That is, condition to say that this energy signal, energy is greater than 0 and less than infinity. If this condition is satisfied, then the signal is said to be energy signal. This is in case of continuous time signal. C is equal to integration of minus infinity plus infinity x square of t into dt. Similarly, in case of discrete time signal, energy is calculated summation of n tends from 0 to n minus 1, that's x square of n. This is in case of discrete time signals. So here, all non-periodic signals are said to be energy signals. And all periodic signals are said to be power signals. Similarly, you can say that any signal is said to be a power signal if its average power is greater than 0 and less than infinity. That is 1 by t, integration of 0 to t, that is x square of t into d. This is the average power of signal x of t. Similarly, in case of discrete, it is defined as this E. The power is given by average power is 1 by n, summation of n times from 0 to n minus 1, that is x square of n. So these are the formulas to calculate the power of energy. If this power is satisfying the condition, average power of any discrete time signal, it is greater than 0 and less than infinity, then you can say that is a power signal. To get the power of any signal, as from the formula you can say that here T is or N is required. Capital T is the fundamental period or capital N is the fundamental period. Capital T is the fundamental period in case of continuous. Capital N is the fundamental period in case of discrete. Where we get the fundamental period? Only if the signal is periodic. Okay, that means all periodic signals are said to be power signals. All non-periodic signals are said to be energy signals. So example for this is all non-periodic signals. All non-periodic signals. Here, example in case of power signals, all periodic signals. All periodic signals. Definition is clear? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Shall I erase the board? I'll give an example here. Shall I erase the board? Hello?
Yes.
Please note down these formulas to get the energy and power of it. For example, in the first problem, find the energy of the signal. Suppose we take a signal like this. This is T, this is 0, this is 4, this is 5, this is minus 4, this is minus 5, this value is 5. This is x of t. This looks like an trapezoidal waveform. Now, is it periodic or non-periodic? Is it periodic or non-periodic? Hello? Is it periodic or non-periodic? Hello? Hello? It is?
Periodic.
It is non-periodic signal. Since it is a non-periodic signal, I can say that it is energy signal. Its energy is, signal exists from -5 to +5. Its energy is, integration, take the limits, signal exists. Definition of energy is integration of minus and plus infinity, x square of t into t. That is integration of -5 to +5, x square of t into t. This is the energy. But signal is not same from -5 to +5. It has linear increasing line from -5 to -4. Then -4 to +4 is constant. 4 to 5 is increasing line. That's why first we should get what is the x of t in this range. that is x of t for the range -5 less than equal to 2 less than equal to -4. To get x of t in this range, let's take this starting point of the line and the ending point of the line. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. This is -5, 0. This is -4, 1. Okay. Now, we know that equation of a line is y minus y1, that is equal to m into x minus x1. Y is the y-axis, that is x of t. X is the time, that is the x-axis, that is t time t. M is the slope of that line. Slope of that line is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x4. That is, m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is, m is equal to y2 value is how much here? 1 minus y1, that is 1 minus 0 divided by x2 is -4. This is -5. That's 1 divided by, answer is 1, answer is -4, that's 5, it will be +1. Now, apply this in this equation, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y is the x of t, y1 is the, what is the y1 value? Y1 value is 0, m value is 1. X minus x1. X is the time t. X1 value is -5 minus +5. Answer is x of t is equal to t plus 5. X of t is equal to c. I am finding out the function x of t in the range -5 to -4. Similarly, I should find out the x of t in the range. X of t in the range is, that is 1 in the range of -4 less than t less than equal to +4. Next, I should find x of t in the range 4 to 5. That is, you can take this as an x1 y1. This point has an x2 y2. x1 is 5, 0. x1 y1 is 5, 0. x2 y2, that is 4, 1. This equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is the y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. What is y2 here? Y2 is 1, y1 is 0, x2 is 4, x1 is 5, answer is -1. Then y is x of t, minus y1 is 0, slope is -1, x is c, x1 is 5. Now x of t is equal to minus t plus 5, it will be 5 minus. That means you have got the x of t from the complete range of a signal, that is -5 to, don't leave the class, -5 to +5. -5 to -4, x of t is t plus 5. -4 to +4, x of t is 1, it's constant. Then 4 to 5, x of t is 5 minus t. Okay. Now we should apply the energy formula. That is integration of -5 to +5 x power of t into dt. Okay? Understood?
Excuse me, sir.
Hello? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Sir, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸತಿ explain ಮಾಡ್ರಿ sir.
ಹಲೋ?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸತಿ explain ಮಾಡ್ರಿ sir.
ಹಲೋ?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸತಿ
Sir,
explain ಮಾಡ್ರಿ sir.
explain what?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ? Shall I repeat it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the trapezoidal waveform segment which exists from -5 to +5. -5 to -4 it is increasing line. Don't know what is x of t here because it looks like a ramp. -4 to +4 it is a constant, its value is 1. Next 4 to 5 it is decreasing line. First we should get what is x of t in each range. -5 to -4, -4 to +4, 4 to 5. If it is a line, just you need to use the equation of a line equation. To get the x of t in the range -5 to -4, we know that the equation of a line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Where m is the y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. It is the equation of a slope. That is y2 and y1, x2 and x1 values substitute in that equation. You will get the slope as 1. Next, apply that in this equation. Slope value y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y is nothing but the y-axis. That is x of t. Y1 value here it is 0. Apply that. M is the slope that we calculated. Its value is 1. X is the time axis. Time is t here. Substitute the t. And x1 value is -5. The minus and minus will become +5. That's why I written x of t is equal to t plus 5. Then -4 to +4 you don't need to calculate because it is a constant. Its value is 1. That's why x of t is 1 in the range of -4 to +4. Similarly, what is x of t in the range of 4 to 5? Again, this also looks like line. This line here. Let's apply the equation of line equation. That is, this is x1 y1 had taken and ending point is x2 y2 had taken. You can reverse it also to the points. Here 5, 0, this is 4, 1. That is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. 1 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 2. The answer is -1. X of t minus 0, that is -1, t minus 5. X of t is equal to 5 minus 3. Is it clear now? Hello? Abdul Razak.
Yes, sir.
Shall I erase the board now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Lavanya? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
to get its energy, you know that energy equation is integration of -5 to +5 x square of t into dt. E is equal to split this into 3 parts, -5 to -4 x square of t into dt. Why I am splitting this? Because x of t is not same from -5 to +5. Plus integration of -4 to +4 x square of t into dt. Plus integration of 4 to 5, that is x square of t into dt. That is, you can take this as this part has E1, and next one, this part has E2, and this part has E3. E1 is equal to integration of -5 to -4. What is x of t here? X of t is you have t plus 5 which whole square into t. That is integration of -5 to -4 that is t square plus 280, that is 2t, that 2 5 tan t plus 25 into d. E1 is equal to integration of -5 to -4, that is t square into dt plus integration of -5 to -4, that is tan t into dt plus integration of 4 to 5, that is 45 into dt. That is E1 is equal to integration of t square is t2 by 3, substitute the limits, -5 minus plus this is tan t square by 2, apply the limits -5 to -4 plus 25t, apply the limits 4 to 5. That is E1 is equal to, you have 1 by 3 is outside, -4 whole cube. -4 whole cube is how much? That is minus 4 4 jars, 16, 16 4 jar, 64, and then minus 64, minus of minus 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. Plus
Excuse me, sir.
5 minus 4 whole square is 16, minus 45, plus 5 minus 4 is 1. E1 is equal to, we have, that is 1 by 3, minus 64 plus 125, minus 64 plus 125, plus 16 minus 25 is equal to minus sign, it will be 9, 9 5 is 45, plus 25. E1 is equal to 125 minus 64 is how much?
$61, sir.
61 by 3. That is 61 by 3 minus 45 plus 25. Answer is LCM is 3 here. 61 plus the 25 is just 75. 6
Excuse me, sir.
136 minus 45 1
1/3, sir.
how much?
1/3.
It is 1 by 3. After calculating it is 1 by 3. Similarly, E2 value. E2 value is integration of -4 to +4. X square of t, x of t 1 here, 1 square is 1 into dt. That is integration of 1 is t, answer is 4 minus 4, answer is 4 minus of -4 to the +4, answer is 8. E3 value, integration of 4 to 5, x square of that is there it is 5 minus t, its whole square into dt. That is integration of 4 to 5, 5 minus t, that is 25.
Sir,
Plus
excuse
t
me.
square minus 10t into dt. Calculate its energy. E3 is equal to 25 is constant, 60 4 to 5 plus E cube by 3 4 to 5 minus 10 t square by 2, that is 4 to 5.
Sir,
Is-
excuse me.
Hello?
Sir, doubt, sir.
Here.
Sir, ಅಲ್ಲಿ here E1 equation ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ -5 to -4 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
Correct. Is it right? I think
Yes, sir.
values are right. -4 plus 5 to be answer is 25 only. Is it right? Hello? Correct
Yes, sir.
answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Next 25. 5 minus 4 is 1. Plus 5 cube 1 by 3. 5 cube minus 4 cube. 5 cube is 125 minus 64. That is 61 minus 2 135 are 5. 25 minus 4 again 16. Answer is 9. That is the answer 25 plus 61 by 3 minus 45. This also will get 1 by 3. Okay? Hello?
Sir.
Now, what is the total energy now? Total energy is E is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3. E1 is 1 by 3. E2 is plus 8. E3 is 1 by 3. Everything is 3 here. 1 plus 8 is 24 plus 1. Answer is 26 by 3. Total energy of the system is 26 by 3 joules. This completes the problem. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Shall I raise the board now? Shall I raise the board?
Yes.
One example I give for discrete. Suppose if we give that, find the energy of the signal x of n is equal to 2, 4, 1, 1. This arrow mark indicates that is 0th point. Right side of it all are positive time. Left side of the arrow mark indicates the up arrow mark what I shown there. That is the negative time. Now, this is a discrete time signal. This is at 0, these are 1, these are 2, and these are 3. Energy of the signal is done by summation of n times from minus infinity plus infinity x square of t. Now, this is summation of n times 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 to 3, that is x square of t. Yes, E is equal to x square of 0, and n is 0. X square of 1, n is 1. X square of 2, n is 2. X square of 3, n is 3. E is equal to, what is x of 0 value? X of 0 value is 2, 2 square. X of 1 value is 4, it is 4 square. X square of 2, this is 1 square, plus x square of 3, that is 1. 1 square is 1. Answer is 4 plus 16 plus 1 plus 1. Answer is energy of a signal is 22 joules. This is how we should calculate in case of discrete time signal. Check. Is it right? Answer, is it right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. One example I do to get the power of the signal. Shall I erase the board? Hello, shall I erase the board?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Suppose I have a signal like this. This is C. This goes like this. This is minus 1. This is plus 1. This is 0. This is x of t. This is 0.1. This is 0.2. This is 0.3. This is 0.4. This is 0.5. And goes like this. Is it periodic or non-periodic? Is it periodic or non-periodic?
Periodic.
Periodic, sir.
Periodic. Then is it energy signal or a power signal?
Power.
It's a power signal. Because all periodic signals are power signals. We should find out its average power. Average power is given by 1 by t, integration of 0 to t, that is x square of t into t. What is the fundamental period here? See, from 0 to 0.1, it is increasing line. It is going from minus 1 to plus 1. 0.1 to 0.2 is decreasing line, coming from 1 to minus 1. Same pattern repeats. 0.2 to 0.2 to 0.4, 0.4 to 0.6. Then what is the fundamental period now? What is the fundamental period?
Mm,
What is there in the range of 0 to 0.2? 0 to 0.2, it is increasing line. It is going from -1 to +1. 0.1 to 0.2, it is decreasing line, coming from 1 to -1. This pattern repeats, going from -1 to +1, +1 to -1, -1 to +1, +1 to -1. What is the interval here? What is the fundamental period?
-1 to 1.
Hello?
0.2.
0.2 is the good. This is the fundamental. This is the fundamental period T. Now I can say that T is equal to 0.2 seconds. Now T is equal to integration, that is 1 by 0.2 integration of 0.2 x square of T into D. But signal is not same from 0 to 0.2, because 0 to 0.1 it is going from -1 to +1, and 0.1 to 0.2 it is coming from 1 to -1. That's why we split this into two intervals. That is, average power is 1 divided by 0.2 integration of 0 to 0.1, that is x square of T into dt, plus integration of, that is 0.1 to 0.2, that is x square of T into dt. Let us calculate what is the x of T in the range of 0 to 0.1 and 0.1 to 0.2. Now, x of T in the range 0 to 0.1. 0 to 0.1. You take this as an x1 y1, this as an x2 y2. x1 y1 is x1 is 0, y1 is -1. Here x1 is 0.1, y2 is 1. Same concept you applied. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is the y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x2. What is y2 value here? Y2 value is 1. Y1 value is -1, minus of minus will become +1. X2 value is 0.1. X1 value is 0. Answer is 2 by 0.1. M value is 20. Apply this in this equation. Y is the x of T minus y1 is the, what is the y1 value? Y1 value is -1. Minus of minus will become +1. Slope is 20. X minus x1. X is T minus x1 is 0. That is x of T is equal to, you have 20T minus 1. That is the range of 0 to 0.1. This is important. Next, to get what is x of T in the range of the range 0.1 to 0.2. You can take this as an x1 y1 now. Let it be x2 y2 at that point. x1 y1 is, that is 0.2. x1, that is y1 is, that is -1. Get the slope. Now that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Slope is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 is how much here? 1. y1 value is -1. Minus of minus will become +1. x2 value is 0.1. Minus x1 value is 0.2. Answer is again 2 by -0.1. Answer is -20. That is slope. y is x of t minus y1 is minus 1, minus of minus will become plus 1, m is minus 20, x minus x1. X is t, x1 value is 0.2. You have that is minus 20t, minus of minus is plus 20 into 0.2. 20 into 0.2 you get answer is 4. That is x of t is equal to, here you have minus 20t, 4 minus 1 is 3. Minus 20t plus 3. Is it right? Hello? Hello? This is the x of t in the range 0.1 to
Yes, sir.
0.2. Okay. Shall I raise the board? Shall I raise the board? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, let us take this as an P1. This one has an P2. Individually, calculate the P1. Well, P1 is given by P1 is equal to 1 divided by 0.2, integration of 0 to 0.1, x of t is 20t minus 1, its whole square into d. That is P1 equals to 1 divided by 0.2, 20t minus 1 whole square. That 20 square is 400. 400t square plus 1 square minus 40t. Integration of 0 to 0.1 into dt. P1 equals to 1 divided by 0.2. This is 400 it has t2 by 3. Limits of 0 to 0.1 plus t 0 to 0.1 minus 40 t square by 2 0 to 0.1. P1 equals to 1 divided by 0.2, 400 by 3, 0.1 whole cube. 0.1 whole cube is how much? Hello? Hello? 0.1 into 0.1 is 0.01. Again into 0.2 that is 0.001. That is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 3. Minus 0 into 0. Plus 0.1. 200 will have minus 20. This is 0.01. Minus 20 plus 3. This is 1 divided by 0.2. This is nothing but 0.4 by 3 plus 0.1. This is minus 0.2. Well, the minus 0.2. You have answer that is 1 divided by 0.2. LCM is 3, 0.4 plus 0.3 minus 0.6. Answer is 0.1 divided by 3 to the 6, 0.6. Answer is 1 by 6. Similarly, I should get what is P2. Now finally P1 value is 1 by 6. This is the P1 value. P2 value, integration of 0.1 to 0.2, x square of t into dt. P2 is integration of 0.1 to 0.2. X of t is, what is here, minus 20t plus 3x whole square into dt. That is P2 is equal to integration of 0.1 to 0.2. This is 400 t square plus 3 3s are 9 minus 120 t into d. P2 is equal to integration of 0.1 to 0.2. 400, this is 400 P2 by 3, limits are 0.1 to 0.2 plus 9, integration of t is 1, 0.1 to 0.2 minus 120 t square by 2, 0.1 to 0.2. That is P2 is equal to, you have that is 400 by 3, 0.2 whole cube. That is 0.2 whole cube is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. You have answer is 0.008 minus 0.001 minus 9, 0.2 minus 0.1, that is 0.1, 200, 260, sorry, this is plus, minus 60, 0.2 whole square is 0.04 minus 0.01. It will be 0.007. P2 is equal to 400 divided by 3 into 0.007 plus 0.9 minus 60 into 0.03. 7 4 is 28, 2 zeros, 2.8. So P2 is equal to 2.8 by 7 plus 0.9 minus 60 into 0.03, 3 6 is 18. That's 1.8. This is 3. LCM is 3 here. 2.8 plus 9 3 is 27. 2.7. 18 3 is 54 minus 5.4. 2.8 plus 2.7. 2.8 plus 2.7, that is 5.5. Answer is 1 by 3. P2 is equal to, you have answer is 1 by 3. What is the total power now? Total power is P1 plus P2. P1 you have got 1 by 6. That is 1 by 3. Here LCM is 6. Answer you have 1 plus 2. 3 plus 6. 3 by 6. 3 1 3
Sir.
Total power is 1 by 2 watts.
Sir, excuse
So,
me.
analyze. This is how you should
Sir.
get the average. Hello?
Sir, we should multiply 1 by t, no, sir? For P2.
1 by 3?
1 by t, sir.
1 by?
T. Time period.
1 by 3 I multiplied, no?
For P1 we have multiplied, sir, but for P2 we have not taken, no, sir.
No, after simplification only I got that. Outside is multiplied or not? You do one thing, you calculate that value and substitute in that. Huh?
Okay.
Okay, this completes the problem. This is how you should get the average power of a signal. Okay. Now I'll stop the class. Next class I'll start the new concept, that is basic operations on signals. Okay? So stop now.
Okay.
Okay, sir.